Welcome back. Today we're going to be going over the OKA method for the Pyraminx. Now first of all, I would like to point out that the OKA method is pretty much just the keyhole method with a few extensions. So I would definitely suggest watching my video on the keyhole method before you watch this. So the first step of the OKA method is a little bit different than the keyhole method. So what you're going to do is, instead of putting two edges into their correct spots, you're going to put one edge in and then one moved over one. So normally here I would put green and blue in. This is like keyhole method. But then for OKA, I'm going to move it over one. So this is going to come up later, why we moved it over one. And it's just going to make putting this third edge in a lot more easy. So then just keyhole method, use the keyhole to get the centers in place. And now this is what you're going to do. Find which edge is supposed to go here. So that's blue and red. So what you're going to do is insert it in, move this, then slice back. So now, in just 3 moves, we inserted that last edge in, and then when we sliced back, we put the third one in. So that's really the whole point of the OKA method, is just getting that last edge in. After that, it's literally the exact same thing as the keyhole method. I'll just put these in, do my last layer case. I'm not going to go over all of the last layer cases because they are just the same as the keyhole method. If you want to learn those last layer cases, you can just look at my video on the keyhole method. Now there is one problem that the OKA method presents that isn't in the keyhole method. So this is when, so you've placed this one away, and you've placed this one in, and then you've oriented your centers, but now this edge is in the bottom slot. So what you need to do is switch these two. So what I do is I bring this edge out of the way. It can really be either of them since you just need to switch these two. Let's bring it out of the way, bring that back, bring that down. So 5 moves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that keeps our centers facing up. And then we can just move to the last layer case. In this case, it's a last layer skip. That was kind of lucky. But basically, if you have 2 that are flipped, you just need to do that 5 move algorithm. The point of this method is really just for the inspection time. So let's say I just started inspecting. So I can see that I have an edge in here and that I have one that's 1 off. So as soon as the timer starts, I can already go to my keyhole slot, and then I can look. Now I much more efficiently solved this, and I'm already onto the last layer. Now while this method is generally move efficient, it doesn't mean that it's always the best thing to do. As you can see here, this scramble put 2 edges already in. So in this case, I would probably just do normal keyhole method, and even though I have to insert that last edge a little bit differently, this would still be better than trying to put one of these in opposite and then moving up to my last layer. So there you go, that's the OKA method. If you want to see more tutorials, you can view my page. I hope this video helped you, and for the future, good luck.